Welcome to the Modern Play of Light collection from MHDPro. In this collection, you will learn a variety of commercial salon essential colouring techniques, including ombre, dip dye, balayage and jigsaw sectioning. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Madeleine Murphy demonstrates a dip dye ombre technique using diagonal sectioning in 4 quadrants and backcombing. For Lesson 2, Charmaine Piche demonstrates a jigsaw sectioning technique using foils to isolate sections and colours, and is an essential pattern to learn for the salon. Charmaine's next tutorial is a variation of the popular balayage technique and begins in the underneath panel using horizontal sections, placing the colour with a freehand technique. Bruno Elorrioroz continues with Lesson 4, in which he demonstrates a variation of the ombre technique using a soft blend of colours. And finally, in Lesson 5, Madeleine Murphy demonstrates a basic dip dye technique using a variety of red tones. The tutorial features essential advice on colour choice, placement and diffusion. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Modern Play of Light collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Modern Play of Light collection now only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.